First, I just want to say, if you want to move down, feel free to. There's tons of open seats. You don't have to sit in the back row. But if you want to sit there, that's fine. But I feel like you get the full experience the closer you are to the stage. That's all I'm going to say. But I want to thank everyone for coming out. This is our sketch show. It's called Humon Nature. And it is hilarious. We've been working on it for a while now, all semester. We've been writing, and we went to Chicago, took some classes there. Made our jokes even funnier, I think. It's great, isn't it, Ben?
It's really great.
I'm very excited just thinking about it. We got some funny jokes, right, don't we?
Oh, we do have some funny jokes.
But I wanted to thank all of you.
I'm laughing just thinking about it, Dan.
You are? I wanted to thank everyone for coming out and supporting live theater tonight. It's real great that everyone's out here, and you know, I just wanted to thank everyone on stage.
Sorry, I'm good. It's really funny sketches.
I wanted to thank everyone on stage for all the work. And,
I'm so sorry that your food came out late. I could have gone back there and talked to them for you.
I got to spend more time with you. That's all that matters. It was fabulous. Everything was great.
And the wine was delicious, wasn't
Oh my
it?
God. It was. But you go inside?
Of course. Here. Can I take your coat?
Oh, yeah.
What? Who? Well, dessert's not quite ready yet.
sir, dessert is still being prepared, but I do have some snacks for you.
We have, let's see, we have some Doritos, maybe? Macadamia nuts?
In the past.
We have macadamia nuts. Would you like some? Are you sure? Okay.
I'll let you know.
Well, it was a really long walk from the subway. Why don't you have a seat? Oh, my dogs are barking. Would you like some entertainment while we wait for our dinner?
Why not?
Next, a new channel 5 at 5. How to make your eggs while clean your kitchen. Alright, you're going to jail, son. Just watch your eggs. You
guys are fine.
You got 12 kilos of coke.
Mi corazón es el fuego para tu
Is there anything you want to watch? Maybe we can put on whatever.
Maybe BET?
Okay.
We don't have BET since Jamal left.
I've been trying to get a cable guy over here to fix that. I'm sorry about that. Is there anything else you would like to?
Maybe can we check out the bedroom?
Oh, of course. Yeah. It's a king-size bed. I think it's that memory foam. It always seems to mold to mine. I know.
I think I may be ready to take
I know what you mean.
Do you want this section?
Of course.